Good afternoon, good morning, and good evening. Did that one backwards. Bet you didn't catch that, did you? Welcome to my 2,293rd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, I've got some really exciting news, so I'm going to belt that out right now. OMNI chat room has gone mobile. You can now join my chat room on your mobile phones. My video will come up, the audio will come up. I'll tell you when flash updates are coming out, and you can then trade from your phone too. So I'm taking away some of the chains that keep us tied to that desk. I hope that works for you. OMNI has gone mobile. I'm psyched. So make sure that you join the trading room if you must leave your desks via your mobile phones. Traders, we know that this is a risky game, so before I start to explain some of the topics on the board, please realize that you can lose more money than you have in your trading account if you get this wrong. So put your stops in first. Know that futures and options positions can go lower than the amount of money in your account. But if you do place stops and you do understand the risks, well, I say let's get moving. This video is coming at you on a Wednesday night for trading, Thursday, August 12th, 2021. And we've got topics on the board. The main topic is that we've gone mobile, but we've got some others, and we'll cover them now. The formation building on the Dow chart that I've been showing you in chart after chart, video after video, it finally reveals itself. It finally shows what it is, and I will show that to you on the chart, and I think you'll find it interesting. We've got trades wrapped around this idea for trading on Thursday. All along, I have been telling you that the OMNI flip-flopping, right? It's bullish one day, bearish the next, then bullish, then bearish. And that flip-flopping, when they happen all together, means we're going to vacate the area. So I've told you this in many videos leading up to today. And guess what? Don't just get ready to vacate the area. It looks like the vacate has commenced. And I think that's great. I'm looking forward to, hopefully, some upside a few days in a row. We'll take this one day at a time. Stops will go in first. And then Bitcoin and Ethereum, baby. You gotta love those two. They're still looking good. Traders, I've got a bunch of charts I want to show you. I want you to absolutely do some of the analysis yourselves after you look at this chart segment, when you're home, pull up those charts and you'll see this breakout I'm about to show you. And then there's this. OmniCamp September. OmniCamp tickets are almost gone. There's only a couple left. If you would like to qualify for one of the seats that I hold here in Las Vegas, it's a 4-day seminar, so you got to be ready to work. If you want to learn the Omni, call me, 702-629-4755, or go to omnibootcamp.com and fill out an application. Remember, September 16th, it's coming right away. Act now. If you wouldn't mind, indulge me, take a look at what these last couple of Omni campers had to say about the class I want you to show up at, and I will see you in just a moment to go over some charts.
The Omni Camp is an excellent experience for novice traders as well as experienced traders to cut through the information that is ineffective.
Save your money if you have to. Come to the course. It's worth every penny.
Traders, you've seen that OmniCamp video. You know you can be trained to do this well, but if you get in this trade tomorrow and it turns around and goes against you, you better say this to yourselves over and over again, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Now remember, if this thing turns around and tanks and you're long, you better keep saying that to yourselves, but your stop will be in. Don't get nervous. So here we are. The Dow Jones Transportation Average, I've shown you this chart night after night, or I should say the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We'll do the transports next. Night after night, I have shown this to you, and I have told you the Omni is flip-flopping. It's flip-flopped for the past 10 days. Get ready to vacate the area. That's what it means. Well, it looks like the vacation, or the vacating, has commenced, because here we are breaking out. Now, if you look at this chart, and I'm just going to condense the same chart and show you how it's revealed itself. Turns out to be a bull flag. That's the same chart, just condensed. It finally reveals itself. What was going on in the Dow was building a bull flag that whole time, still inside of a larger channel. and now we've broken out of the flag, and we are here, and we are going to look to buy the dips in the mini Dow, in the ES. We'll see where that goes on Thursday. Dow Transportation Average. Now, I've been showing you this as well and saying this is not good because it keeps failing here. It's going to have to get above, otherwise it pushes us lower. Well, here's where we have been, and now I just want to show you a breakout has finally taken place. Eureka! A breakout, finally. Now, this gives a lot of algorithms the go-ahead to start getting long, and I agree that they will. And I say we buy the dips for trading on Thursday in U.S. indices. Some, not all. I'm not going after Nasdaq, and here's why. Nasdaq, it's been in the infirmary compared to the other U.S. indices that have been breaking out or trying to break out and going up. Well, not this one. Look, down, 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 down. So once I recognized that we're breaking out in its sisters, I said there's got to be something going on here. That, I think, is a bull flag. Holding above the average, which seems to work well every time. I'll bet you Nasdaq follows the crowd up instead of being a leader. It will be a follower and start to move higher with the S&P and the Dow. And then we go crypto crazy. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. A couple of days ago I said crypto to the moon, and boom, so far we've done this and we're here, and I say you buy the dips and continue to expect higher as time passes. We will possibly be buying dips for trading on Thursday if it sets up into an OMNI zone. And Ethereum, another fantastic crypto, has been leading Bitcoin so far on this rally. Look at these great bars, one after the next, a little bit of a stall here. I say if it stalls a little, expect even higher, and this channel will just break out into a larger channel. That's what I'm looking for. Come join me in my free live trading room at livewithoscar.com. And don't forget, OMNI's gone mobile. Make sure you follow us on your phones when you leave your desk.